Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to peel acorn squash. First, ensure your squash is clean and ready. Using a sharp, sturdy chef's knife is crucial for safety and efficiency. A quick microwave session, about 3 to 5 minutes, will soften the skin, making it much easier to manage. This simple step saves a lot of effort and reduces the risk of slips while cutting. Let's get started with this easy method. Now that your squash is slightly softened, carefully cut it in half lengthwise. Be sure to use a stable cutting surface. Once halved, use a spoon to scoop out all the seeds and any stringy pulp from the center. You want a clean cavity. Then, place each half cut side down on your cutting board. This provides a flat, stable surface, making the next steps much safer and easier to execute. With the squash halves stable, it's time to peel. You can use a sharp vegetable peeler, which is often the easiest tool for this task. Alternatively, a small, sharp paring knife works well for more precise peeling. Always peel away from your body, using firm, even strokes. Make sure to remove all the tough, dark green skin, leaving only the bright orange flesh. This step is quick once the squash is softened. Finally, with your squash peeled, you're ready to cube it. Take each peeled half and cut it into 1-inch thick slices. Then, lay these slices flat and dice them into uniform 1-inch cubes. Consistency in size helps ensure even cooking. Your beautifully peeled and cubed acorn squash is now perfectly prepared for roasting, baking, or any recipe you choose. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.